Hi, myself
And this is my video
Drishalvani. I
feedback for
have
the data
completed
analytics
my
internship at
internship
Unified
with
Mentor.
Unified Mentor as a full
This
stack
internship
web
helped me learn
development
Python,
intern. It was
Excel,
a great
Pandas,
learning
VBA,
experience.
statistics,
I
and math
got to work on
happened
the
in a structured
projects
way.
like
The lessons were
weather
clear and the
app,
project
which
helped
uses
me
API
apply
integration, or
these
student teacher
concepts
booking
practically.
appointments,
The experience
which
has
also
strengthened
uses
my
Firebase and Cloud
foundation
Firestore.
in data
I
analytics.
had
Thank you.
such a great time working on this project, which
Hi,
makes
this is
my
Apoorva,
knowledge
and this is my
or my
video
theoretical
feedback for the
knowledge
data
worked into the
analytics internship
practical ones.
at Unified
It
Mentor.
improved my skills
This
in
internship
HTML,
helped me learn
CSS,
Python, Excel,
JavaScript, and
Pandas, VBA,
also I
statistics,
happened
and
to
math
learn new
happened in a
skills like
structured way.
React,
The
Node,
lessons were clear, and the
and
project helped
Firebase
me
as well.
apply these concepts
I had such a
practically.
great time.
The
Overall,
experience
the
has strengthened my
mentors in Unified
foundation
Mentor are
in
so
data
supportive.
analytics.
Any
Thank you.
doubts can be solved if I message them or call them in any time,
Hi,
which
this is
was a great
Apoorva,
thing which
and this is
makes
my video
every
feedback
task
for the data
easier.
analytics internship
Thank you,
at Unified
Unified
Mentor.
Mentor, for giving me
This
this
internship
opportunity,
helped me
and I'll
learn Python,
recommend to all
Excel,
the students
Pandas,
to gain the
VBA,
work
statistics, and math
experience and
happened
the
in a
real
structured
life
way.
experience
The
through this.
lessons were clear, and
Thank
the
you.
project helped